Hello again. Today I'm gonna make for you veggie chunks rundung. So this is veggie chunks. You're gonna need half pound, which is 8 ounces. We're gonna use coconut milk. We're gonna blend that. We're gonna use 1 carrot, a spring of thyme, 1 stalk of scallion, just 1 stalk, and some dried basil, about a teaspoon, and some dried parsley, about a teaspoon, and about 6 pimento seeds, half of a Scotch bonnet pepper, just half. So this is the coconut. I'm not gonna really show you how to juice a coconut because I have visit Rice and Peas page and you'll see how to do it. So you just take this apart. Normally I would say put a rag in your hand, but I'm used to this. So take these apart and you're gonna dice it and blend it. So once you do all of them, just juice it. See why see? You get cut. I didn't get any, but so once that is through, you just rinse these. Alright, and get them clean. Just dice them. Now put them on a chopping board and dice it, but dice it small pieces. Put in a blender. Blend this for about 3 minutes straight. Add water. Add enough water to cover it. Cover it. After 3 minutes of blending, just pour this in a strainer and just allow it to strain and start the second batch. While you wait for this, squeeze it out. So this is our finished product. That look like about 4 cups of coconut milk for one large coconut. So we're going to only use 2 cups. To store this, all you have to do is just pour it in a bag. This is 2 cups. And store it in the refrigerator. Tie it and store it in the refrigerator. This is 2 cups. So from that large coconut I got 5 cups of coconut milk. 3 cups and 2 cups. 2 cups, 3 cups, 5 cups. So let's clean up. This is a good substitute for milk. It tastes, you can drink it just like milk. You can eat it with cornflakes, anything. And coconut is an energy boost. It boosts your energy. Coconut also good for your immune system. Perfect fiber. The trash that we just throwed out, that's good fiber. So clean, wash, strip all the seasonings, all the vegetables. Onion is a vegetable. This is a vegetable too. Garlic is a vegetable. Half of an onion. Peel off the skin only. Scallion, green onion. There's different names for these things. 1 stalk of scallion. Alright. So now, guys, the garlic, mash it up, smash it to pieces. Alright, and put that aside. Guys, the onions, and the carrots, about that big. You can use more than 1 carrot if you want, but I'm using 1. So big I'm cutting these. Then add this. This is the garlic. Keep the garlic one side. Keep the onion one side. And now put this on this side. Alright, and just put this there. Cover it until you're ready. Yeah. Just kind of fold this and put it like that. You can dice a scallion if you want, you know. In fact, I feel like I want to dice it. Scallion give a unique flavor. It's really different from the onion. This is how we cut normally in Jamaica. We use chopboard like most people. We just cut it with iron. Wow. Look, it's kind of weird coming from the scallion. Now this is the chunks. You want to soak it. I'm doing it like this because I don't want too much of the crumbs in it. I don't want the crumbs. Yeah, so now add the water. Yeah. And just let this soak for 10 minutes. I say da da dee da da. Okay, I soaked these for 15 minutes. So let's remove the water and allow the water to drain. Just let it drain. Put to eat a pot for stewing. Put the gauge on 6. Add oil. About that much. So once that is hot, about a minute to 2 minutes. Now, after 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, add the onions. Add everything. That's stir because it will stick. I wanted you to see when I was adding the coconut milk, but the video went out. But add the coconut milk and cover it and turn the stove and low and just allow it to cook for a little while. And like almost off low. Yeah, and just I did use 2 cups of water. Put the thyme in, pepper. Herbs, all the seasoning, all the dried in seasoning, ferment the seed enough. A teaspoon. And 6. just stir it. Just allow this to cook. Just cover this. Remember, keep the stove on low and allow this to cook. After 10 minutes on low, this is what it looks like. So now turn the stove up, turn it on high, remove the thyme. It's gonna create mess, and just allow this to cook at high. If you want, you can add a quarter teaspoon of salt, sea salt, just for taste, but you don't have to if you don't want. And from time to time, just stir it so that it don't stick. Trying to keep the pepper on top of it. So that's veggie chunks rundung. So this is the idea, you want to get it creamy like this. Leave the pot open. Leave the pot open. Okay. So this took about 5 minutes. So taste your stew. It's really nice. This tastes really good. This tastes delicious. So these are Miguel's veggie chunks rundung. So after 5 minutes, you can turn it off. This is the veggie chunks rundung. So you just cover your pot and allow it to cool. That's yum. Veggie chunks rundung. Veggie chunks rundung. Veggie chunks rundung. Well, it kind of smell good. I'm not lying, it really smells nice. Veggie chunks rundung. Okay, let's be my own critic. Let's see how this thing here tastes. It's good. The veggie chunks doesn't taste like veggie chunks. Really added taste. It's carrot. It's kinda, it's nice. Veggie chunks Rundung. My recipe this. Ras Miguel's recipe. Rundung veggie chunks. Just good. Now some sliced tomato. Yeah. Tomato. Completed. It's really good. Trust me, it does.